Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up TradingView on Android. First, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for TradingView and then tap the Install button to download the application. Once the download is complete, open the app to start your journey. This initial step is quick, usually taking less than 1 minute, getting you ready for market analysis. Next, you will need to access your TradingView account. If you are a new user, you can easily create an account using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. For those who already have an account, just enter your existing login credentials. This step ensures all your personalized settings and watch lists are accessible across devices. Once logged in, you will see the main interface. Take a moment to explore the key sections. The watch list allows you to keep an eye on your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. The interactive charts provide powerful tools for technical analysis, offering dozens of indicators. You can also use the search bar at the top to find any instrument you need in just a few taps. Finally, customize your TradingView experience to suit your trading style. You can adjust chart types, add various technical indicators, and change timeframes with ease. Don't forget to set up price alerts for assets you are closely monitoring, ensuring you never miss a critical market move. Plus, connect with a global community of traders to share ideas and learn from others, enhancing your overall trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.